Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Jaguar F-Type R. It is a convertible, obviously, 5.0 liter V8, all-wheel drive. Go ahead and give it a listen. Very, very clean. Love the red brakes on the black wheels. Just have dual exhaust with the quad exits. Did notice the badging was aged. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you the interior. Have the upgraded racing seats, black leather with red stitching. Here's a shot of the VIN. Super clean. All right, so we'll go ahead and hop in. We'll turn this down so you can hear me better. And we'll also turn the music down. And then in order to see the rear view camera, all you gotta do is pop it in reverse. And there you go. Okay, all right, right now it's on GPS. It also has AM, FM, and XM. Has parking sensors to it right here. You have heated seats. You also have push button start with the carbon fiber around. You also have your traction control and your noise control. Not waking up the neighbors. You can also change the height of the rear end. And the spoiler does come up when you go ahead and get on the freeway. All right, there are all the door controls for the passenger. And for the driver, you also have driver presets. And here is where your automatic top toggle switch is. So it'll tell you that your roof is not latched and that you can only go up to 30 miles an hour while it's doing that. You do notice while I'm doing this that you have 21,075 miles on the vehicle. And so we'll go ahead and put the top up so you can see what it looks like with the top up. Okay, so the roof is now latched. It'll give you a roof latched, and then it'll roll the windows up for you because the windows roll down automatically when you go to put the top down. Okay. There we go. I'm getting my ignition is on. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and restart it so you can hear it restart. You can also watch the sequence of operations. Great sounding engine. I mean, I like the sound of this engine more than any other vehicle on the lot. So this vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here on the front, which you can see we got it all buttoned up, and it has passed our 150-point inspection as it was only cosmetic damage. And it has also passed the State of Utah Safety Inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.